Hi guys, how are you? In this video, we will learn how to use Japanese Cranmer Abacus in teaching mathematics to our children with visual impairment. Special thanks to Ma'am Rhoda Nokum and Ma'am Evelyn Kaha. What is abacus? Abacus is a device used by learners with visual impairment in doing basic mathematical calculation. Before we proceed, so let us identify first the parts of the abacus. First are the markers. Okay, so they are the markers. Next is the rod. So that is the rod. Next is the separation bar. Separation bar separating the abacus horizontally cutting across. Lower portion is known as the lower abacus while the upper portion is known as the upper abacus. Okay. Next part, yan yung separation bar. Next part are beads. Okay. Yan ang mga beads. So, each column in the lower abacus has 4 beads. Yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, each assume the value of 1. While the beads in the upper abacus assume the value of 5. So, those are the parts of the abacus. Ngayon, alamin naman natin yung place value ng bawat rod. So, the first rod from right, so ito ang ones place. Second rod is our tens place. And the third rod is hundreds place. Yan. So, after ng first marker, it means nasa thousands place ka na. Nasa 1,000 place, 10,000, saka hundreds thousand. So, there are 3 rods in each marker. So, after ng pangalawang marker, ibig sabihin, you are in the millions place. So, meron ulit 3 rods dyan. Yan yung 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions place. Yan. Next, after ng third marker, makikita na natin dyan ang billions place. Then, after ng fourth marker is the trillions place. Okay? Yan ang place value ng ating abacus from right to left. Upper beads have the value of 5, while lower beads has the value of 1. Look at our abacus. The abacus is in 0 position. As we see, all beads in the upper abacus, ayan nasa taas silang lahat. While the lower beads in the lower abacus, ayan, nakababa silang lahat. So therefore, they are in 0 position. Okay, let's proceed. Setting the numbers. When setting the numbers, don't forget to use the word set. So, when we move the bead near the separator bar, don't forget to use the word set. Okay, for example, set 5. So, look for number 5. This is number 5. And you set number 5, slide downward near the separator bar. Then, pag sinabi naman natin Set 1, another example. So you look for number 1. So ito yung 1. Then slide upward near the separator bar. You should say set 1. So again, example, set 5. Then set 1 is equals to 6. Okay? I have here an example in setting the numbers. Set 5, set 1 is equal to 6. Next is use the word clear when a number is erased or removed, which means moving away from the separator bar. Example, okay, clear 5. So look for number 5 and clear 5. So slide up away from the separator. Then clear 1. So look for number 1. Then slide away o move away from the separator bar. Yung pababa. So clear 1. So yan ay is equal to 0. Don't forget to use the word clear when a number is erased or removed. I have here an example. Clear 5, clear 1 is equal to 0. Next is setting and reading of numbers. Note, in setting numbers on the abacus, start with the highest place value. So the same as you read the numbers. Example, 9. Ayan. This is 9. So, ang steps, set 5. Yan yun, yung 5. Set 5. Ito, binaba natin ng 5. Set 5. Next, set 4. Ito yung 4, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, set sila near the separator bar. So, meron na tayong, ito ay 5. Ang value niya ay 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, meron na tayong 9. So, ganun lang po pagbasa niyan. Steps, set 5, set 4 equals 9. Set 5, set 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so equals 9. So, you read this as 9. Next example in setting and reading of numbers. 123. Okay, nakaset na po itong ating abacus into 123. So, paano ba ang steps? First, set 1 or 100. Dito tayo, 1 or 100. Bakit 100? Because nandito tayo sa hundreds place. Next step is set 2 or 20. 2, 1, 2. Or 20 kasi nasa tens place na siya. Next step is set 3. 3 kasi nasa ones place. 1, 2, 3. So, set lang natin siya. Taas. So, meron na po tayong 123. Napakadali lang po siya i-set. Example, 123 steps. Set 1, 100, set 20, then set 3. Okay, you can read this as 123. Okay, ganun lang po. That's all for today. So my next video will be addition of whole numbers and addition with regroupings. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about Abacus. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.